Got some creep feed. I got a creep feeder. I'm gonna put a couple bags in there. Here's my creep feeder. This creep feeder is nice. You can adjust the height that they're able to come in at. And I've got it set for yearlings up to about 9-10 months. But it's empty now. And I like to just put a couple bags at a time because I like to leave enough for the calves to come in here and eat, but then not too much left over for the field mice and other critters. So those 2 bags will be a good start. That just kind of keeps the wind, if it were to pick up, keep it from trying to lift that up.
chickens and the cows need water.
There you guys are. There you guys are. Yeah, so that creep feed is good for those first now we got three yearlings kind of in the front here. I got two bulls. I really like the look of that middle bull, the kind of the lighter tan. He's got some Brahma influence in him. I like that sheath on his neck. But the creep feed is real good. I also got that blonde calf yearling straight across right there. The big cows, like these, they can't get in that creep feeder because I got that bar lower down so low. So it saves the feed just for the yearlings, so it helps them with their development, and it also helps the mamas of the calves not be pulled down so much. This cow here hasn't calved this year or last year. You see that big jowl or whatever that fat is in the front of her? That's indicative that she hasn't had a calf on her, and so she's put on a lot of excess weight. So if she doesn't calve soon, she's heading out the door. Fly pressure doesn't look to be too bad at all. They got a lot of these good juniper / cedar trees, and they like to rub up on them, and I think they get the oils from these trees on their coats. And as you can see, they don't have many flies on their backs, maybe a little bit on their underbelly where the oils from these trees don't get them, but I see them constantly rubbing on these trees, and it must be doing something. Hey boys. Hey boys. This is my bull. He's 2 years old. I've had him for 9 months, so I'm looking to see if any of these cows have been bred or about due by him. Looks like she might be soon. She might be soon. So none imminent, but you can start seeing the signs. So we got one in there, and then the other one. So we got 3 kind of yearlings inside there, and that's the right size for them. They're actually able to dip down under the bar, but these bigger cows, they can't get in there. They can't dip down low enough. So that's ideal for them.